Imagine having an AI assistant that doesn't just answer questions. It can research the web, browse websites, analyze data, remember your preferences, and even complete tasks inside your browser. And the craziest part, it's completely free to use. Today, we're looking at KimiWork, a brand new AI agent from Kimi that brings autonomous AI workflows directly to your desktop. In this video, I'll show you what KimiWork is, how to install it, and how to use it step by step. Let's dive in. Most AI tools today are still chatbots. You ask a question, the AI answers, then you ask another question, but KimiWork is designed differently. Instead of simply chatting with you, it acts more like an AI employee. You give it a goal, the agent creates a plan, researches information, uses tools, browses websites, analyzes results, and works toward completing the task. According to Kimi, the platform supports an agent swarm architecture, allowing up to 300 AI agents to work in parallel on your local machine. Think of it like hiring an entire research team instead of a single assistant. One agent might search for information, another validates sources, another summarizes findings, another creates reports, all happening simultaneously. That is one of the biggest differences between KimiWork and traditional AI chat applications. Let's compare this with a normal AI chatbot. With a chatbot, you ask a question, read the answer, ask another question, and repeat. With KimiWork, you assign a task. The AI performs multiple actions automatically. For example, research the best AI coding assistants released this year. Instead of simply giving a quick answer, KimiWork can search the web, open articles, compare products, gather sources, analyze findings, generate a final report, all with minimal supervision. This makes it particularly useful for researchers, software engineers, content creators, marketers, and business analysts. First, visit the official KimiWork website. You'll find download links for Windows, macOS, Apple Silicon. Choose the version that matches your operating system. Click Download. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Then launch the installation package. The installation process is straightforward. Simply click Next, accept the license agreement, choose installation location, complete the setup, launch KimiWork. After installation, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. When KimiWork opens, you'll notice that it feels more like a productivity workspace than a chatbot. The interface is designed around tasks and projects. Instead of endless conversations, you'll be creating objectives and letting agents execute them. This approach makes it much easier to handle complex workflows that normally require dozens of manual prompts. One of the most exciting features is browser use. KimiWork can connect to your browser through the WebBridge extension. Once connected, the AI can open websites, search Google click buttons, fill forms, scroll pages, navigate between sites. In other words, it can interact with the web similarly to how a human would. Imagine asking, find the latest AI news from today and summarize the most important announcements. The agent can actually browse websites and gather the information itself. This dramatically reduces the amount of manual research you need to perform. Let's talk about one of the coolest features, the agent swarm system. Traditional AI systems usually process a task using a single model instance. KimiWork can divide large tasks into many smaller tasks and assign them to multiple agents simultaneously. For example, suppose you ask, analyze the top 50 AI startups. One agent may gather funding information, another researches founders, another reviews products, another compares competitors, another creates summaries. The results are then combined into a single output. This parallel execution can significantly speed up research-heavy workflows. Another standout feature is memory. Most AI chats start fresh every time. KimiWork is designed to maintain a running memory of your preferences and context. Over time, it can learn your writing style, your preferred tools, your projects, your workflows, and previous decisions. This allows the agent to become increasingly personalized the more you use it. Think of it as building a long-term working relationship with your AI assistant. KimiWork also includes finance-focused capabilities. The platform can access market data from sources like Yahoo Finance and the World Bank without requiring complicated API setup. For investors, analysts, and researchers, this can be extremely useful. For example, compare NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Google stock performance over the last 5 years, or analyze GDP growth across Southeast Asian countries. Instead of manually gathering data from multiple websites, the agent can retrieve and analyze it for you. Here are some practical ways you can use KimiWork. For developers, research frameworks, compare technologies, generate technical reports. For content creators, research video topics, analyze competitors, generate content briefs. For students, collect references, summarize research papers. Create study notes. For entrepreneurs, conduct market research, analyze competitors, generate business plans. The possibilities are enormous because the platform combines AI reasoning, browser automation, memory, and tool usage into a single workflow. So, should you try KimiWork? If you're looking for a simple chatbot, probably not. But if you want an AI that can actively perform tasks, browse websites, gather information, and work more autonomously, KimiWork is definitely worth exploring. The combination of agent swarms browser automation, built-in memory finance tools, local desktop experience makes it one of the most interesting AI agent platforms released recently.